In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Figma plugin using the default HTML UI template in Chrome. To get started, open Figma in your Chrome browser and make sure you're inside a Figma file or workspace where you can access the main application menu. This process is useful if you want to begin building a custom plugin from scratch and need a quick way to generate the starter files using Figma's built-in development tools. Once you're in Figma, look toward the main logo area at the top of the interface. Click the main logo settings drop-down menu to open the primary navigation panel. This menu gives you access to a variety of Figma options, including tools for design, collaboration, and development. If you're new to this area, just take your time and make sure the menu is fully expanded before moving on. From there, hover over or select plugins, then go to development and choose new plugin. This is the path Figma provides for creating plugin projects directly from the interface. It's especially helpful because it guides you through the setup without requiring you to manually build the folder structure yourself at the beginning. After clicking New Plugin, Figma will open a setup window where you can define the type of plugin you want to create. In this window, choose the Figma Design option. This tells Figma that your plugin is intended to work within the design environment rather than another product or mode. It's an important selection because it determines the context in which your plugin will run. Next, enter your custom plugin name. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple plugins over time. A good plugin name can also make your project easier to organize during development and testing. Then select the default UI or HTML template. This option gives you a starting point that includes a user interface layer, which is ideal if your plugin will eventually need buttons, inputs, or other interactive elements. It also saves time by generating a basic structure for you, so you can focus more on customizing functionality instead of setting everything up manually. Once these settings are in place, you're ready to continue with the plugin creation process inside Figma. At this stage, you've successfully opened the plugin generator, chosen the correct environment, named your plugin, and selected the default HTML-based interface template. That gives you a clean foundation to begin development in a structured and efficient way.